5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Galing ni Daddy mo sa mayaw. Okay? Now, after that, doing the step, the Gangnam step, girl, please put arms down, and then go back to the line, and then the next player will follow. Yes. So, one of the toppers, place the toppers up, then Gangnam step, and then toppers down again, and then go back to the line, next player. Okay? Did the others you understand? Okay. And now move backward, guys. Ah, naging fight na?
Ay, ito nagkasihan.
Si Ma'am, lipat na lang siya. Para ano, 5 girls and then 5 yung boys natin. Ayan, sakto na. Okay! DJ, music.
Wala pa!
Ayun nga. Ano kung 5 na? Ay, ano ba? Wait lang. Mami Joanna, excited ka sa game but later we're going to dance the Gangnam Style, alone. Joke. Okay, DJ! So guys, who's the winner? Girls team? Are you sure? Okay, but don't worry Daddy Alex because that's only a practice. So practice na lang yun.